Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today we're taking a closer look at the Hulkman Alpha 85 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. This car jump starter delivers a powerful 2,000 ampere peak current, capable of reviving completely dead batteries in vehicles up to 8.5-liter gas or 6.0-liter diesel engines. With up to 60 jump starts on a single charge, this portable battery jump starter ensures you're never stranded. A user-friendly 3.3-inch smart screen provides clear information about operational status, battery level, and possible errors. Once fully charged, it can hold power for up to 18 months. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Hulkman Alpha 85. Battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, display screen, 12-volt DC output port, USB Type-A output port, USB Type-C input and output port, power button, LED button, 12-volt battery clamps output, LED light. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.